10. Big mistakes drivers make after changing tires. Don't do these. You just changed your tires, whether it's brand new ones, used ones, a flat fix, or a seasonal swap. But wait, before you hit the road, there are 10 dangerous mistakes most drivers make right after changing tires, and they could cost you your safety, your money, or even your wheels. Let's dive into what you should never do after changing your tires. Welcome back to TireSho, where we keep your ride safe, smooth, and smart. Number 1, never skip torquing lug nuts. First up, never drive off without torquing those lug nuts correctly. Loose nuts, your wheel could come off on the highway. Too tight, you can snap the studs. Always use a torque wrench and follow your car's specs, then recheck after 50 to 100 miles. Safety first. Number 2, don't ignore tire pressure. Second, don't assume your pressure is perfect. Ask the tire shops if the correct pressure have been inflated. Always make sure the PSI matches your car's label, and you can find this information on driver's side door, user's manual, or in fuel filling cup cover as shown on this photo here. Remember, too much or too little pressure can wear tires unevenly or mess with your fuel economy. Number 3, skipping alignment when required is a big mistake. If your old tires wore unevenly or your steering feels off, get an alignment check. You'll ruin those fresh tires faster than you think. Number 4, don't forget TPMS reset. That annoying tire pressure light still on? That's because your TPMS might need a reset. For some cars, tire warning light may reset automatically, but most of them not, so you need to reset manually. Look up how to reset it in your vehicle's manual or ask your tire fitter to do it after installation. We also have a video in this channel. Reset tire pressure light for any car. Number 5, never trash old tires without looking first. Before you recycle those old tires, take a good look. Cupping, bald spots, inner edge wear. These are clues to suspension or alignment issues. A quick inspection can help you find out what happened to your old tires and save you headaches and money down the road. Number 6, don't drive aggressively right away. Got new tires? Don't push them to the limit on day one. New tires have a factory coating that reduces grip. Break them in for about 300-500 miles with gentle driving before going full send. Number 7, never mix mismatched tires. Mixing tire types, especially premium and cheap tires, different tire sizes or tread depths, unless it's a spare, avoid it, especially on AWD cars. It can throw off the drivetrain. Always aim for matching pairs or better, a full set. Number 8, don't ignore leaks or bead damage. Even brand new tires can leak, especially if the rim has corrosion or the bead wasn't sealed well. Monitor your PSI for a few days and check for any slow leaks with soap spray or your TPMS. Number 9, don't leave your tools a mess. After a tire change, drivers often forget to properly stow their tools in car boot. Keep them clean, dry, and easy to access. You never know when you'll need them next, especially your locking wheel nut key. Trust me, I have seen cases where drivers have flat tire on the road and can't find the locking wheel nut key. This is frustrating, right? Always make sure you keep it in a very safe place. Number 10, test drive. Last but not least, never skip the test drive. In your first short spin, feel the steering, listen for vibration or wobble. If anything feels off, head back to the shop immediately. So there you go, 10 things you should never do after changing your tires. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TireSho, and share it with a friend who just changed tires. Safe driving.